Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you're enjoying the content. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick video on a follow-up on that Zeus Beard kit they had sent me. I went over the oil and then I went over the comb in the bag, I think it was. This final video, I want to go over the wash and the conditioning wash. The soap, the beard shampoo comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. I've used this quite a few times since I've had the kit, and it is the vanilla rum scent. Very good scent. It's a little heavy on the rum scent, but it's doable. It's not overpowering. Just a really good scent. How does it work? It's not my favorite shampoo that I've ever used, but it does strip my beard of all oils. It feels good. It smells good. The scent lasts a long time. And it just does what any normal shampoo would do. But like I said, it's definitely not my favorite shampoo. After you shampoo, of course, you're going to use, and this is an 8 fluid ounce of beard conditioner in the same scent. And of course, these are paraben, sulfate, and cruelty-free. The ingredients in these, where are they at? There's a whole lot of ingredients in these. If you guys want to pause the video and read that, you may do so. Here we go. After using the beard shampoo, use the conditioner, and it's like a real thick conditioner. I feel after I use the conditioner, it doesn't get my beard soft enough how I would prefer it. I know on most of conditioners that I use, after conditioning my beard, I get out of the shower and my beard is like soft. This kind of leaves my beard a little, it feels like a dry, if that makes sense, like a dry a dry beard in the shower, if that makes sense. I mean, but it does condition it. You can tell that it does condition it pretty good. But like I said, I get out of the shower, it just feels like, it's not dry, but it's like a dry feeling, real rough feeling. I mean, I used the oil after I get out of the shower when it's still damp, and it takes care of the problem. But definitely not my favorite beard shampoo and beard conditioner, but I'm definitely going to finish using them. They do clean my beard, they do condition it. Like I said, they're not the worst products in the world, but they're not the best. I will use the rest of the product. I probably would buy a different scent if they make another scent in this. They're not bad products at all. I'm not saying they're bad. I'm not, down in the beard shampoo and the conditioner. The oil works well. I like the beard comb. They have more products to offer, and I would definitely try more products from Zeus Beard Company. So that'll do it for the Zeus Beard Kit series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got a little bit information out of the videos. Everything will be in the description box below, including the 2 videos that I did prior to this one. Thank you guys for the constant support. I super appreciate it. If you're not new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.